Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to make Link Google Meet 2025. Open Chrome in a new tab, click on Google Apps and open Meet. When you do so, click on New Meeting. Now in the menu, choose Create a Meeting for Later. In the pop-up window, copy the meeting link. In another tab, you can paste this link to access the Meet meeting. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.